So now we will go in the My Post section. The different posts that I've selected will go in the For Review section just there. Basically, let's imagine that this post is a bit too technical for me and I don't want to publish it. I maybe just wanted to read about it, but don't want to publish it. I can just delete it just there and it's going to disappear from this For Review section. Then I have this other post about digital transformation in utilities that makes sense for me. Obviously, you can approve the content just there and the post is going to be published on your LinkedIn like this, and we can see that this one is scheduled for the 28th of February. I can still just change the scheduling time of the post, but what we invite you to do is to edit the content just there. So you can click on the edit button and then you will have access to a whole edition page for the content. On the right, you have the preview just there of what the post would look like on LinkedIn directly. And on the left, you have the edition box. You can manually do some editions on the content. So let's imagine that this part does not really make sense for me. I can delete it and I can add a question at the end for my network. Obviously, here I just do a small addition, but the more personalized and the best is my addition, obviously the best will be the content. But same, I can do all the different changes. Here I also have the possibility to use AI to personalize at maximum my post. So you can see just there, I have a give my opinion button. I can click on it and it's basically going to ask me a question on the topic. So this one, what do you think are the most critical specialized networking solutions needed to address the challenges of electromagnetic interference and environmental hazards in the utility sector? So basically, the question asked will always be a strategic question on the topic. And then I will give an output, give my input, and based on this, the text is going to be reworked. So let's imagine that I can just say, for example, use of AI is key for this. Obviously, it's a bad answer, but just for you to understand how it works. I will give my input, and based on that, the text after will be directly reworked just there, as you can see there. And I can still do manually some changes. I also have the possibility to use my own tone. So basically, I will set up my own tonal voice and say I want something short, corporate, friendly, with a question at the end. Basically answer a chatbot for the first time I use it. And then each time I will click on use my tone, I will have the post with my own tonal voice. Same, I have just there an anti-AI prompt to make sure that the text does not seem like AI and that it sounds natural. And I have just there another button which makes it exciting to make sure that basically I can put all the different emojis and make sure that the format of the post fits the LinkedIn friendly format. So let's imagine that now I'm totally okay with the post and how it looks like. I still have the possibility to add some hashtags and remove some hashtags. So I can just add a utilities hashtag just there and, for example, remove the networking solution hashtag just there. Here we have the article link, which comes with a preview from the media directly. And this one is coming from utilitydive.com. I have the possibility, if I want to, I can directly just there generate an image with AI based on the topic that will go with my post. So the idea is that if you want to make something a bit more visual, and if you don't want to rely only on the link of the media, you can generate an image just there. So basically you have up to 3 possibilities of image generation just there. So this is the image that has been created and I can select it. And as you can see now, as I selected it, it goes with my post and then the link of the article will be directly put in the first comment, but I can still, if I want to, delete it. Now that I'm totally okay with the final form of my post, I can either post it now on my LinkedIn account, and if I click on post now, it's gonna be published on my LinkedIn in the 2-3 coming minutes, or I can schedule the publication just there. So let's imagine that I want to publish on the 21st of February. I can approve it, and it's gonna be published on my LinkedIn on this hour and on this date in the coming days. Basically, this post was in the for review section just there before, on the left, and now it came in the approved section just there. And you can see on the calendar on the right that it is in just there for the 21st of February. Now let's imagine that later on I want to either